Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resetting voice settings on the Discord app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord, and you want to select the little gear icon in the bottom corner. It says User Settings. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath the app settings on the left panel, just scroll down and select where it says the voice and video button. Then select debugging up at the top, and then you can go ahead and select where it says reset voice and video settings, and you just would select that, and then you would be able to reset your voice settings back to default. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.